Welcome back to the Electricians 2 channel. I want to do a review today of my newest set of test leads. These are the AMPROBE MO-100 test leads. I ran across these on eBay, and it's not like I needed another pair of Croc clips or anything, but I do have some meters around that I wanted to get a dedicated pair of test Croc clips for, and I didn't want to get the little, the cheap pair on eBay like you see so many times on eBay. I do have some in my stash that I could have used, kept, but I saw these. The price was right. Amprobe is a good company. The Croc clips look. I'm a pretty good judgment of high quality stuff. So the Croc clips look pretty decent. So everything just fell in place. So I said, let me just get them and just see, how they work out. And I'm glad that I did. So I'm going to just review each and every one of them, and I'll show you the meter that I bought them for. Well, I do have another meter I bought them for, but I'm going to wind up using them for this meter here. I'm going to show you in a minute. So let me just set the camera up right and let you get a good angle so I can get in here and show you guys exactly. Hold on a minute. What I am trying to do. All right. So as you see, there are 4 different colors here. There's blue, red, green, and black. Now, these Croc clips, they don't come off. You can see what they probably did. They just took this once they connected to the wire to the Croc clip itself, they took this insulator right here and just pushed it over and probably glued it together. I'm almost sure it glued it because it doesn't come off. But I've seen these Croc clips before because I have some other accessories by AMPROBE, but I like the fact that they don't come off. And another fact that I do like, I don't have anything all of these colors. I guess it's long. I don't know. I just like the colors too. Anyway, but this is the meter here that I bought him for. One of the meters I'm going to use them for now. Anyway, it's my Reed LCR meter, and they come with the Reed already come with these probes right here. Let me show you. Get these out of the way. It comes with these already, and these 2-wire there's not Kelvin clips, but each one of these probes right here have a double input on it, and it goes in here like. Let me show you. Like that. Yeah. So you get the point, like this and like that. And now you could, and these clips right, these alligator clips right here. This is what I've been using for a long time on these probes, and it works just fine. When I'm testing small electrolytic capacitors and things like that, it works just fine. So this is what I've been using. So when I saw these, I said, well, let me get these, and there we go. So just in case I'm using this meter and I need to clamp onto something that's much larger than an electrolytic capacitor or something like that. So I said, let me get in these. Surely won't do it. But these, I'm not getting rid of these. Come in handy, and this one I'm going to keep. So what I did was, that's why I purchased the other one, and I was going back and forth where I'm going to use these meters are. I mean, these Croc clips, which meter I'm going to use them for. So I settled on this one. This is the one I'm going to use it for. So right here I have the 2 guards. Right here have the plus and the minus. So this is where I'm going to use it at. The green right there. I don't have another green. So, and this one up here is black. And this one inside of here is red. So put the red one here. And the blue. Even though it's green right for a guard, that's okay. I'll use the blue for that. But anyway, and it works just perfectly. Now, if I, just to show you that they do work and what would happen, here we go. All right, there we go. I don't know if you guys can see that. Turn the backlight on. Okay, so if I were to, like I said, this is a 40,000 ohms resistor. So even without these two guards, this black and this red would measure this, automatically measure this. I'm gonna show you right now. So, and this is on auto, so it's gonna go right to resistance. See, 40,000 ohms. So I'm gonna just show you what would happen if I were to connect the guard on here, which I know I shouldn't, but I just want to show you. And the reason why I'm doing it, because these two that came with this connected to the guard. So that means that up in here, some kind of way it's touching, you know, the guard, and it may stop right about here. I'm not sure how they got it connected in there, but I'm gonna just see what happens when I connect the guard to here. I'm sure it's gonna cancel each other out. Okay, it's still on 40. You can see it's changing already. It went up to, it's just going all over the place. Let me just see what it does here. Yeah, it canceled each other out. Take that off. So let me just see what happens if I put it over here. Okay, but anyway, these guards here, I really don't need them, but I'm gonna use them when I have to. But anyway, this is and they work fine. AMPROBE is a very good, reputable company, and Fluke bought AMPROBE out years ago. But the stuff they've been putting out is pretty decent. Always have been decent. In the United States, AMPROBE been a staple here in the United States for a long time. And you know, you see coming out with new stuff every now and then. But I do like these leads that they put out. Again, the model number is it's AMPROBE M as in Mary, O as in Oscar, -100. That's the model number of these Pro. These are test leads. They're really nice. They feel good. They're about let me see the length of them. I would say they're about a 1.5 feet long. Each one of them about a 1.5 feet long, and that's long enough for me. I don't want you're working here on the bench. I don't want nothing that's too long. Nothing that's too long. But this is nice, and it's going to serve the purpose. The lead, these Croc clips, they open up wide enough for me, so that's really wide. Even it's kind of over the size that I'm gonna need here on the bench, but it's best to have bigger than more than less. You know what I'm saying? So that's okay. So I think it's going to be okay with this meter. This is what I'm planning on doing with it. And let me see what else I want to tell you guys. Let me see what else I want to tell you guys. Well, that's about it, guys. I really don't know. Oh, hold on a minute. Let me see. Something else I wanted to do. Something else I wanted to tell you guys. I wanted to fit around just to see the size of. Let me see. I was trying to get my capacitor. Let me see. I do have a capacitor here. Stay tuned, guys. 1 second. Here we go. There we go. Just see how well it fits around here. Let me make sure that they're shorted out before I connect to them. I'm sure this LCR meter would discharge both of these capacitors, but just be on the safe side. So let me plug this red back in here and this black back in here. I just want to see if it'll measure this capacitor right here. Remember 32,000, and this one is 120. I know if it don't measure this one, it won't measure that one. So where are we? Plus. Okay. See, that's large enough to go around that one, and that's large enough to go around that one. So let me see what it's going to do. guys can see. And this is 32,000 microfarads. Okay. It's on auto. Where are we? There we go. Let me change the frequency because make sure it's able to read it. 144.1. That's not right. Let me do it, try it again. That's nanofarads. Another thing, I didn't short it out, so I think we'll be okay. Let's overload. Overload. Hmm. $144.2. Okay. Let me see. ESR is 0.2. I mean 0.24. ESR. I don't have my chart. Let me see something. My chart. What I have here. I forgot the incoming voltage for this thing here. I think it's 40. 40 volts. Can't be 40 volts. I'm not sure. I'm looking. According to my chart here, this capacitor is good. ESR is good, value is good anyway. Oh, it's 25 volts. So 22. It should be 25. It should be, the ESR value should be oh my goodness, 0.06 and a little bit above. It's okay. It has a good ESR reading on this one. If you guys have a chart, let me know if I'm if yours agree. This is 25 volts and 32,000 microfarads, and you see what it says on here. So if you have a chart, tell me if you leave it in the comments. Tell me if you think it's right or not. Or if what I'm reading here on the charts is right. But it looked like the ESR is good. Okay. So, guys, I don't want to hold you long and just talk about bull crap. Okay, so thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button, help to support the channel. Subscribe button, leave a comment if you choose to. Hit the like button if you like it. Hit the dislike button if you dislike my videos. Just let me know that that you are paying attention. All right, guys, take care, and I'm out.